In every scenario involving simple interest, there are three factors to consider. Firstly, the principal, which is essentially whatever you start the investment with, the amount borrowed or the amount deposited. The next thing that's involved in every calculation is some rate of interest, usually expressed as a percentage, and it is going to be applied yearly. And then thirdly, simple interest considerations must involve some period of time. And for our calculations, that time is measured in years. So it provides us with a formula where I, which is the interest, is equal to principal multiplied by the rate of interest multiplied by the time of the transaction, and because you're dealing with a percentage, you put all of that over 100. So for example, if Carlos deposits $600 in an account that pays 5% simple interest yearly, how much will he have on the account in 3 years' time? The amount he will have on the account is going to be a future amount, and it's going to be made up of the money he deposited, which we said is a principal, P, plus whatever interest is applied. And we already know the money he deposited is $600. Now we have to use the formula P times R times T to establish how much interest is added on after 3 years. So I equals P multiplied by R multiplied by T, all divided by 100. In this particular example, P is the amount he deposits, which is $600. R is the rate of interest, 5% simple interest yearly. And T is the length of time for the transaction, 3 years. All divided by 100 gives us $90 in interest. Therefore, in 3 years' time, Carlos will have the $600 he deposited plus the $90 in interest that was accrued, which is $690 in total.